Hey there, quick review on these LifeWit stackable storage cubes. These things are super handy and they look really nice and they come at a great price point. Whenever you get these shipped to you, they'll ship collapse down like this. So whenever you don't want to use them and you want to store them away, they don't take up hardly any space. So how does this work? You'll notice you get two pieces with each of these. This bottom piece strengthens and stiffens everything up after you've folded it up. So it folds down like this. Simply pop it open, you can see there. And then we've got this other piece right here that we put in the bottom, and that stiffens it up, squares it up, and now we've got a nice cube. Looks really great. Now you can also stack these. So as you see here, with just a matter of seconds, you're able to deploy these and stack them up. I wouldn't put a ton of weight in these and stack them up. They're really designed to be used individually. They work a lot better individually in my opinion, but just a nice product at a great price point. Whenever you're done with them, again, just pull out the bottom, push everything together, and they'll store in a nice compact footprint that doesn't take up any space. Really cool product, great design. I'd recommend this if you're looking for something practical, affordable, and that looks really nice. These would be a great option.